The onboard fee covers the lockbox installation, professional photography, and an in-person or remote meeting with one of our onboard specialists. Find out more about the process, what it includes, and how to prepare. Check out our onboarding video on our YouTube channel.
We offer a range of different guest access solutions. You can choose between a digital lock, a wall-mounted lockbox, or a railing lockbox. Either a sales agent or one of the onboarding team will help you choose what option is best for you and also for your property.
From your onboarding meeting, it typically takes 5 to 7 working days for your listing to go live on Airbnb, as long as you and your property are ready to go. It can then take up to 10 working days for your listing to sync to all other platforms.
Your designated onboarder will take pictures of all appliances and amenities throughout the property during the onboard meeting. However, please note that we do not take a full inventory of all items within the property, and instead we ask that any valuable items be removed from the property entirely or securely locked away. However, you are able to keep an eye on your property via the Houst dashboard, where our housekeepers will upload time-stamped images of your property after each guest checkout clean.
We have a team of dedicated housekeepers who will clean your property after each guest. As we also provide hotel quality linen and towels as part of our service, the cleaning team will collect any used linen and towels and replace them with fresh ones, so you don't have to worry about a thing. For more information about cleaning, please head to our YouTube channel and check out our Everything You Need to Know About Cleaning video.
We can cover almost any issues that take place, from changing light bulbs to broken boilers. We also have a team of trusted handymen across our localities who can be at your property quicker than you can say fuse box. We also have a third-party supplier for any of those larger issues that need to be responded to as soon as possible. You can set your preferences and add a spending limit within your dashboard so we can immediately fix any of those small issues that might be affecting a guest's stay. Beyond that, our team will be in touch to discuss the nature of the work and that needs to be done, just to make sure you're aware and happy for us to resolve the issue at hand.
Although our service does not currently offer the maintenance or management of gardens or outdoor areas, thanks to the flexibility of your self-managed Houst dashboard, you will have the ability to block out specific dates in your calendar and organise for any maintenance to take place while the property is empty.
Any maintenance issues will be paid for by you, the host. You'll be sent an invoice, which will then be claimed by future booking payouts.
Our contractors will enter the property using the same access solution as your guests. If any maintenance issues do happen during a guest stay, our guest support team will liaise with the guests and arrange a convenient time for them to attend the property and fix the issue.
Our mission is to ensure that your hosting experience is as seamless and hands-off as possible, which includes making sure that your property is safe and secure. Once your listing is live on Airbnb, you will automatically be covered by their insurance policy, Air Cover. You can learn more about this policy and what it covers via the Airbnb website. We are also proud partners of Guardhog, who provide insurance coverage for bookings made on any other of our booking platforms. We take pride in our impeccable guest record and do our best to solve issues as soon as they arise. This includes raising any claims against any damages and ensuring that you and your property are always protected.
Here at Houst, we have an entire team dedicated to ensuring that the guests staying at your property have a proven track record and will treat the property as if it is their own home. While you cannot vet the guests yourselves, you're able to go over to your Houst dashboard and set your preferences. Here you're able to decide whether you want to accept children, pets, and set booking criteria for your guests to follow. If you have any further questions regarding your preferences, please feel free to reach out to our team and they can answer any questions or queries you have.
Each platform has its own cancellation policy, and we have an entire team here at Houst dedicated to handling booking cancellations, alterations, and extensions. As we carefully evaluate each individual request on a case-by-case basis, if you have any questions or concerns regarding booking cancellations, please feel free to reach out to our client success team or your dedicated client success personnel to find out more.
Your onboarder will create a brand new listing using their knowledge of your property and list it under one of our Houst management accounts. This is to ensure that our team can effectively manage your listing throughout your journey with us, and so that potential guests know that they are booking with a trusted property management company. However, as it is still your home, we'd be happy to highlight any particular details or make any adjustments as you see fit. Just let us know.
At Houst, we blend the short and medium-term lettings for you. A traditional long-term let will typically last between 6 to 12 months, whereas a short-term stay will typically last between 2 to 90 days, allowing you more flexibility for your home at a higher nightly rate. Mid-term lets are the in-between, spanning from 3 to 6 months. It strikes a balance with the consistent monthly earnings during the low seasons, but also allows for short-term letting in the peak periods to optimize your revenue. Accepting short-term bookings rather than long-term tenants allows for further flexibility and greater control over your property.
The support team is available 24/7 for any inquiries via phone call or message.